In this question, we have an electric field of magnitude 1000 Newton per Coulomb, which is produced between two parallel plates having separation of 2 cm. We have to calculate the potential difference between the plates, which can be easily calculated by the formula delta V is equals to electric field into delta L. Here the potential delta V we have to calculate. Electric field is given to me as 1000 Newton per Coulomb, and delta L, that is the separation between two plates, is given to me as 2 centimeters or 0.02 meter. So potential between two plates can be easily calculated by the formula, which comes out to be 20 volts. In second part, we had to calculate the velocity with which an electron should be projected so that it just reaches the upper plate. What happens is that when an electron is kept in an electric field, then it will experience a force in the direction opposite to that of the electric field, because electron is negatively charged. So the force on electron can be calculated by small e into capital E, where small e is the charge of electron and capital E is electric field. That will be equal to mass into acceleration. So the acceleration of the electric field is E into capital E divided by mass. On substituting this value, we get E as 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Electric field is 1000 Newton per Coulomb, and M is mass of electron, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. On solving this equation, we get acceleration as 1.75 into 10 to the power 14 meter per second. Now I'm using the equation V square is equals to U square plus 2AS, because we had to calculate the velocity with which it has to be projected. Now since it is just about to reach the upper plate, V will be equal to 0. We know the acceleration from the above equation, and S is given as 0.02 meters. So on substituting all the equation, we get U as 2AS to the power 1 by 2, and on substituting value we get 2 into 1.75 into 10 to the power 14 into 0.02 to the power 1 by 2, and on solving this equation we get U as 2.64 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. This is the answer for second part. In third part, we are projecting the electron with the same velocity, that is this one, and it is making an angle 60 degree with the electric field. Let's say this is my direction of projection. It is making an angle of 60 degree with electric field. Let's say this is my velocity u. So on taking components of this velocity u in the direction of electric field, that is u cos of 60, and in direction perpendicular to electric field, that is u sin 60. So to calculate the maximum height reached, we will again use the formula V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. At the maximum height, V will be equal to 0, S, that is we have to calculate, and U will be equal to U cos 60, because that is the velocity in the direction of electric field, which is nothing but 2.64 into 10 to the power 6 into cos 60, that is 1 by 2, which comes out to be 1.32 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. On substituting all the values, we get S as U square by 2A, that is 1.32 into 10 to the power 6 whole square divided by 2 times of acceleration, that is 1.75 into 10 to the power 14, which comes out to be 0.50 centimeters. That is our answer.